Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to allow to access on the YarnPal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, go to the lower bar and click to the third option, the profile, and here click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen. And in the general section you can find the second option, the allow to access. And in the settings you can enable the notifications, you can add different permissions, you can set the screen time, or you can set different things, and you can check the usage data. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.